Are you wondering how to make a girl jealous? Do you want to know how to accomplish this but without the fear of an imminent breakup? You have come to the right place. But it should be noted that your reasons need to be valid though. You can't just go around making every day a nightmare for her. There has to be a line you shouldn't cross. So let's start at the beginning. But first, we will examine why you want her to be jealous of you. Then I'll share surefire ways to accomplish just that. So what are acceptable reasons to make your girl jealous? Number 1, to see if she cares enough to fight for you. If you're not sure whether your girl feels about you the way you do about her, then making her jealous might help you find out. It's all about not crossing a line, and you shouldn't make her life a living hell. Number 2, to get out of a rut that all the relationships fall into sometimes. When you have been with your girl for a long time, it goes without saying that you might fall into a rut. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it sure as hell isn't fun. Number 3, to bring back a level of passion that has withered over time. When you first got together, her body language screamed passion and desire. You couldn't keep your clothes on for a whole minute. Number 4, to see what you can expect from her if the relationship is new. If you're with a new girl and you're not sure what her deal is yet, it can be argued that this can help you find out some things. Will she handle it maturely? Will she go off? Will she be completely indifferent? All of these possibilities can tell you a lot about her true feelings for you. Now let's discuss the surefire ways how to make a girl jealous. Let's get started. Number 1, give her your full attention, then act distant for a bit. 1 minute, make her think she's the only girl for you, and the next stop giving her attention. But don't be too obvious or she will see right through you. Play hot and cold with her and make her think, what the hell is going on? Today you are all over her and the next day she can't get a hold of you. This will make her mind go 200 miles per hour, creating all kinds of scenarios in her head. Are you seeing someone else? Do you not care about her any longer? Who knows? Number 2, compliment other women in front of her. Compliment random girls, or better yet, your girl's friend. The trick is not to be too obvious about it. Subtlety is key. The last thing any girl wants is her man noticing other girls and talking about their beauty in front of them. It's harmless but foolproof. Number 3, get in touch with your ex-girlfriend. The smartest way to do this is via text messages. Casually start texting with your ex again and tell your girlfriend that you have decided to be friends again. Then watch her expression. You could even make her wonder if your ex is really over you, but again, don't do more damage than necessary. You love this girl, so keep that in mind all the time. Number 4, don't reply to her text messages instantly. This will work especially well if you usually get back to her quickly. Bonus point is that if you're active on social networks and you're ignoring her. Number 5, start leaving her out of things. For example, don't include her in your WhatsApp text chain or social media group photo. Go on a night out with a big crew, but don't invite her that one time. It will be enough to make her question everything, but not enough for her to go crazy mad. It's going to feel weird for her, so watch out about how she reacts. Number 6, spend a lot of time with your guy friends. Spending time with friends is important and you should do it regardless of this whole thing. What I'm saying is to kick it up a notch. Number 7, browse through online dating sites when she's around. When you're in the same room and you're on your laptop, open up a new tab and choose a dating site of your preference. Scroll up and down until you are sure she has noticed. Now, she might not say anything, but if she has seen it, be sure that she will be confused, to say the least. Number 8, do stuff without her, then brag about how amazing it was. Go on an adventure with your friends, family, or co-workers, and when you come home, brag about it for days. She will be very jealous that she wasn't a part of something that you enjoyed so much. It will be a real blow to her self-esteem because you have had the best time without her. Number 9, be very friendly with your female co-worker, but don't cross a line. If she ever comes by your work, use it as an opportunity to be very friendly with the coworker, but everything should always be 100% platonic. As I've said countless times, there should never be anything physical going on. It's all about making her wonder if it is. That's all. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.